Hello everyone. Let us continue the chapter integers. In this video, we'll be learning about addition and subtraction of integers. To add two integers having the same sign, keep the same sign and add the absolute value of each number. For example, plus 10 plus 4. So you'll be adding the absolute value of these two integers. So it will be 10 plus 4 and you will be retaining the sign. So it will be plus 14. In this case, minus 11 plus minus 12. Again, you will be adding the absolute values of these two numbers, that is 11 plus 12, and you will be retaining the sign. So it will be minus 23. When we add one positive and one negative integer, then subtract both the numbers and put the sign of the greater integer. For example, 15 plus minus 6. So you'll be subtracting the absolute values and you'll be retaining the sign of the greater integer among these two given integer. Here it is plus 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9, and since the greater number is bearing positive sign, it will be plus 9 in this case. In mathematics, the additive inverse of a number a is the number that when added to a yields 0. This number is also known as the opposite number, that is, it reverses its sign. The opposite to a positive number is negative and the opposite to a negative number is positive. For example, for the given number minus 5, its additive inverse is plus 5. If you add minus 5 and plus 5, it yields 0. Similarly, for 14, it is minus 14. And if you add plus 14 and minus 14, you will get 0. This is called as additive inverse, and this is very important property. Use number line and add the following integer, 9 plus minus 6. 9 it is here, and you will be moving towards your left. That is, you'll be skipping 6 steps towards your left, and it is plus 3. You can use the addition property as well. That is, you will be subtracting the given two integers and retaining the sign of the greater integer among the given two integer. So it is plus 3 in this case. Use number line and write integer 3 more than 5. You'll be moving towards your right. That is, you'll be skipping 3 steps. That is plus 8 in this case. And 6 less than 2, you'll be moving towards your left. So it is minus 4. Now find the sum of 137 and minus 354 without using a number line. Minus 354 can be written as minus 137 plus minus 217. So according to the given problem, 137 is added with minus 354. So you can replace minus 354 as 137 plus minus 137 plus minus 217. Since 137 and minus 137 are additive inverse, it yields 0. We get minus 217 as the answer. Find minus 7 plus minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. 16 can be written as 7 plus 9, and by rearranging the terms, we will get minus 7 plus 7 plus minus 9 plus 9 plus 4. Since minus 7 plus 7 and minus 9 and plus 9 are additive inverses, they will be getting 0. So we'll get plus 4 as the answer. Now moving on to subtraction of integers. In order to subtract an integer from another integer, we add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted from the other integer. For example, 35 minus 20, what we need to do is you need to add the additive inverse of the second integer that is being subtracted, right? So for 20, it is minus 20. That should be added with 35. And 35, we can write it as 15 plus 20. Since 20 and minus 20 are additive inverse, they yield 0. So the answer is plus 15. Use number line and subtract the following integer. 5 minus 3. We need to skip 3 numbers towards left. So it is plus 2.